Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and it's day 22 of our Mastering AutoCAD Electrical series. Yesterday we learned how to apply all the measured dimension types. But if you want your drawing to look professional and consistent, you need to control how those dimensions look, like their say their text size or say arrowheads, colors, units, and more. These may differ according to your preference or the convention of the company or the project you are working on. So today we will learn about the dimension styles in the AutoCAD, how to create them, modify them, and apply them on your drawing. So let's get started. So first of all, let us draw a line. So simply we are drawing a line like this. Now we learn how to annotate it with the dimension. Simply you have to go to annotate and go here, dimension, linear dimension, and from here to here, two inputs are selected and you got your dimension. Now I have got some problem with this annotation. The first problem is, as you can see, the text size is too much small. So I can modify this text size and increase it by simply double clicking on it, and here I can just increase the text size, let's say 0.5, and enter. Sorry, 0.5, enter. So here you go, the text size has increased. Now you can manually change the arrowheads and settings, but in this video we are going to talk about dimension stat. Because changing the text size and the arrows is arrows separately is not conven is very tedious. We are simply going to create a template for our drawing. So a dimension style is like a template for your dimensions. Instead of manually changing, let's say, text size or arrowheads each time, you define a style once and then apply it all to your dimensions. This keeps your drawing consistent and saves time. So to access the dimension style manager, you have to go to here, here, dimension style, and click on it. Now currently we have got standard and annotative dimension style. Now to create your own, create new or to modify our existing one, we are going to manage dimension style. Let's go to manage, and this will appear on your scale. Now for now I will create a new dimension style. Simply I have to go to new and create a name, let's say style A. So then start with, let's say, standard, and continue. Now this window will appear. Now you can make your custom dimension. So yeah, you have got unit format, so you can either choose decimal like this, or scientific like this, or engineering like this. So first of all we will be working on decimal, and here you go, the decimal dimension, and you can set the precision of the decimal place, either two place or three place. We mostly adapt three place, so here you go, the three place dimension. Now you can see the decimal separator, or say round off. You can put prefix and suffix in your dimensions, and uh, you have many more setting. I'm just going to show you how to use this template, so I'm not diving into the detail because the video will be long, and you won't be getting that much idea. So I'll just show you how to do some stuff, and to learn more you have to play with this, and you will be efficient on managing your own dimension. So this was for the text management. So you got your angular dimension. You can either choose degrees or radians or gradients, like that, and you can choose that precision also. So you can choose the zero subtraction or leading or trailing, like that. Now first, if you want to modify symbol and arrows, you have to simply go to symbol and arrows, and you can change the arrowheads. So if you want, currently the arrowhead is close fill. Now you can see a different type of arrowhead like here. So you can just simply choose one, let's say oblique. I'll choose oblique, and here you go, arrowhead first and second will be oblique. So like that, but the arrowhead was good, so I'll just choose the arrowhead. Like that, you can change the arrow size, like from here, either big or small, like this. and you can center marks will be or line, or center marks means the center of the circle or arc. So here it's a plus mark, and you can say none, the mark is gone. And here you go, mark is here, and this is the size. You can make the mark bigger and smaller. So, and this is the dimension break. uh you can change the size of the break. And this is arc length symbol, that is either preceding dimension text or above dimension text or none. We can just simply use this radius. This is for jog dimension, what angle the jog you want, and this is the jog factor. So you can change the symbol and arrows from this tab. And for text, you have to go to the text. Now you can choose the text style like here, or if you want the uh, other text style, you can simply go here and you can change the font from here. I don't want to meddle much in about that. I'm just showing you how to do things, and these all are the basic, and you can change them according to your dimension convention. So now for now cancel. Now you can choose the text color. Let's say if you want red, the color will be red. If you want green, the color of the dimension will be green, like this. Right now by layer that will be white. And fill color, you have got the text height, you have got the text placement, whether you want to be centered or above or outside. uh, some of you have convention of dimension being above, of some may have centered convention. And you can say original say 8 extension line 1. You have to just play with these things and make your own custom dimension according to your projects. So text alignment horizontal, or ISO standard, you can choose from this. So the fit option has, you must have a, so what do I do is text fit. If there is enough room to place both the text and arrows inside the extension line, the first thing to move outside the extension line is either text. This is a priority based where you want the fit to be. If the text doesn't fit properly, where you want them to be. And uh, you can scale the dimension feature. You can change the text placement like that. Primary units. So this is all about units. What do you want? And alternate units. Tolerance means how much of a measurement tolerance unit. Some may have five unit into the power minus c. uh Unit tolerance. You can choose all this. Now you have got tolerance method. This these all are engineering convention, and according to your engineering and project convention, you are going to set your uh, dimensions from here, and you can modify all the things from here. So most of the important things are symbols and arrows, lines and text and fit. We don't meddle with other stuffs that much. So this was for today. So let me create a random, let's say, dimension convention just to show you the change. So let the color be red of the extension line, and line type be, you can choose any line type. Let's say, or I want a dash line. You can simply go here and load from here, and ISO dash. Okay, now I have to simply just dash. Okay, and then as line weight means how much of a line weight you want. Then extension line means this line. You can modify this extension line also. Let's say the extension line be yellow, or let's say green. The extension line have been chosen. Now you can modify the extension line 1, extension line extension 2, I dash line or continuous line, or any other like this. And you can let's say symbol be close mark like this. So okay, and close. Now my style has been created, a random style. And when I give dimension here to here, you got the changes. This has been your convention. You can modify that as you want. So this was for today. If you like the video, this can quite be a boring video, but it